Hey there guys, Pratyush here back with brand new video, and in this video we are going to create a compressor that will basically compress our file. Now there is a module for it that we will be using in this project, so I will be telling you how to download that module simply and use it as to compress or extract your file. So let's get started. First of all, go to the website given in the link below, that is PYPI, and simply search there for patool lib and hit that search button. And after searching it, you will get this kind of page where you need to just pip install that patool. So what I can do is simply go into my Mac, and then I will be showing you how to install using your terminal. So basically here we are. First of all, just type in pip install patool. The requirements are already satisfied for me, so what can I do is basically skip this step. For you, you have to just install that. After installing that, follow me along next. So here we are inside our IDE, and let me just show you how to write that code. So first of all, we will be importing that stuff. So I have imported that patool lib, and now we need to, I have two syntax that I have found from their library. You make sure to check that out. So basically I have two file.xlsx and covid.py that we have created in our previous tutorial. If you have not seen it yet, then you can just do it by going to the link below. So now you can just have this function, that is create a zip and test.zip, and it will contain my file and covid.py basically. Now if I need to extract that file, then what can I do? Basically I will write this function. So in this function you need to just extract your file using the test.zip using the outer dictionary, that is extract. This will be my folder name basically. So now what can I do is run this program into your computer or terminal, and then make sure that the file are available on that compressor files that we have saved, that in .py format. So basically let's run it and see the output. So now I will be running it. Now hit enter, and as you can see the file has been compressed, and let me hit enter again to extract that file, and there it is. There is the extract file in our desktop. So this is all, and I hope this will be really helpful. This is a short tutorial on creating and zipping and extracting the file using a module known as patool. So this is it. Now the most important part, you can get in our touch by our social media platform, and you can even mail us on proxlite02@gmail.com. So basically, thanks for watching. Goodbye.